Hi, I'm Shannon, Tupes, and Andis Educator. Today I'm going to show you how to round the paws on Harvey, so let's get started. On this dog, the pads have been clipped and toenails are cut. Starting with the back feet, pick up the foot and comb out all of the hair. Use your shears to neaten under the foot. Comb the hair down from the leg over the back pad and cut this straight across. Set the foot down on the table and comb all of the hair out again. Use the curved shear to round the foot. Make sure you trim all of the hair, including the inside, front, outside, and back. When you are finished trimming with shears, comb up all of the hair toward the top of the dog. Blend the leg hair into the foot with thinning shears for a neat appearance. Repeat this process for each foot. Thanks for joining us. To learn more, check out more videos across Andis.com.